Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. I'm about to give you my honest opinion about this John Deere E160 that you can buy at Home Depot. And it's going to start with don't. I've had this thing about 4 years, maybe 5. I haven't had issues really starting it. It's not a big issue. The problem I have, it's 3 blades. So you have a 26 horsepower motor and 3 blades that when you cut, it leaves 2 or 3 different areas that don't get cut good. And I'm only cutting grass that's in this field back here. It's not very tall. I'll have to make 2 passes to cut this. It's ridiculous. So I would give this John Deere E160 a hard pass. If you're going to buy a mower to mow something like this, get a 0 turn. They just work better. They're faster, more power. The other part that I don't like is if it's even 4 days after it's rained, I have to take that deck off at least 3 times and scrape all the crap that's stuck to the bottom of it every time I mow. I don't have an issue pulling the deck off here and there, but every single time I mow, at least in the middle of it, at least one time, I have to take the deck off. Take a shovel, which I've modified this hook here, to carry my shovel, because I need it every time I mow to clean out the bottom of the deck. No, it's not difficult to do. It's 5 pins, but it's just irritating because every single time I mow, I have to take that stupid deck off and clean it. At least one time in the middle of the mow and then at the end before I put it away. It shouldn't be like that. My last one, I don't think I ever took it off the whole summer. It was a Frankenstein mower, had a Husqvarna motor with a chassis of an MTD, and it was always spinning, didn't have a brake anymore, none of the safety features worked on it. It was a 1-holer, single piston. This is a dual piston, and it does not cut. So I say hard pass on the Home Depot purchase of a John Deere E160 for $2,300. Get yourself something different. Alright, so to prove my point, it wasn't going very fast. I mean, this isn't very long, but yet it leaves stuff like this sticking up. Blades are sharp. So let's go down where it's longer. Right in the middle. Stuff's long. This doesn't cut very good. Then we go to where it's a little bit longer down here. This hasn't been mowed yet this year. Look at everything. It doesn't cut worth a crap. So save your money. Buy a Husqvarna or something else. Even Consumer Reports gave this like a 98 or a 9.8, whatever they do, and discharge was good. Through the grass real far. Just doesn't do a good job mowing. It's not that long. Make it a pass. Or if you're going to buy a John Deere, go to an actual mower store. Don't go to Home Depot and buy theirs. It's 20, I think it's a 26 horse E160 John Deere. Buy something else. Have fun out.